Hello students, welcome you all on my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about nitrogenous waste products related to the chapter excretory system. In my previous video, I had discussed about the excretory organs, primary and accessory. In this video, I am going to discuss about the various nitrogenous waste product formed during protein catabolism. Formed during protein catabolism. The first one is ammonia. The second one is urea. Third one is uric acid. Fourth one is xanthine and guanine. Fifth one is hippuric acid. Sixth one is nitric acid. Seventh one is creatinine. Now I will discuss these nitrogenous waste product in brief, that how the water playing a role in elimination of this nitrogenous waste material. So first, ammonia. Ammonia is highly toxic nitrogenous waste material, and it requires huge amount of water for elimination from the body. In human, it is formed due to deamination process in the liver. It is highly toxic, and this may be fatal for any organism if it is not eliminated. Organism means don't sense about the plants, it is only the product of animals. So we are studying the animal physiology. So I'm going to discuss you about the ammonia first. It is a first nitrogenous waste product, highly toxic, requires huge amount of water for excretion. In human, it's formed by the deamination process. Majority of invertebrates, including teleost means bony fish, that I will discuss about the aminotelic in brief. So this is about the ammonia. It is highly toxic nitrogenous waste product and require huge amount of water for elimination. Now come to the second point, that is urea. Urea, it is less toxic. It is less toxic. It requires moderate amount of water for elimination. It is formed due to deamination process when ammonia combines with carbon dioxide. Always remember, in the liver, urea is formed by the process of deamination. Deamination I had also discussed you in the ammonia. Here also urea is formed by the process of deamination. So it is produced by process of deamination in the liver. The third one is uric acid. Uric acid. Uric acid is least toxic and require very less quantity of water for elimination. So the animals who excrete uric acid, they conserve water, because uric acid elimination does not require moderate quantity of water as in the urea. They require very minute or very trace quantity of water for elimination. They are crystalline in nature, and the animals excreting uric acid belongs to reptiles, amphibians, and marine fishes. Marine fishes means the cartilaginous fishes. Don't confuse with the two fishes. They are bony fishes and marine fishes. So marine fishes are cartilaginous fishes. They excrete uric acid. They excrete uric acid, not the ammonia. It is least toxic. Requires a very small quantity of water. It is a white crystalline formed. It is white crystalline form. In human, a disease called gout related to uric acid. In that disease, when kidney fails to excrete uric acid properly, uric acid accumulate in the joints, and there it combines with synovial fluid and forms sodium urate crystals. Sodium urate crystals, and cause severe pain, and that pain is known as gout. The fourth one is xanthine and guanine. It is formed by metabolic waste of nucleotide, and this nitrogenous waste product is related with spiders. It is nitrogenous waste of spiders and penguins. The fifth one is trimethylamine oxide, or simply it is known as TMO. TMO. It is formed by the action of ammonia by the process of methylation, then oxidation, and then result in formation of trimethylamine. So see its reaction when ammonia by the process of methylation forms trimethylamine, and again by the process of oxidation it forms TMO, trimethyl oxide. The sixth one is ornithuric acid or nitric acid. It is a specialized products in birds. It is a specialized products in birds when benzoic acid combines with or methine, or in other words when food rich in benzoic acid combines with ornithine, then ornithuric acid results. When food rich in benzoic acid combines with ornithine, it forms ornithuric acid. Now the seventh one is hippuric acid. Hippuric acid. It's a U. Hippuric acid. It is nitrogenous waste of mammals, and how it forms when benzoic acid combines with glycine amino acid, then hippuric acid is formed. When benzoic acid combines with glycine, hippuric acid formed. Now the eighth one is creatinine. Creatinine. And how it is formed? See, in mammals muscle, especially creatine phosphate is there. Breakdown of creatine phosphate results into creatinine, and creatinine is very toxic, much toxic than urea. A rise in creatinine level indicates renal failure. So it is a results due to breakdown of creatine phosphate present in the muscle of mammals. Why I'm using the term mammals? Because it is characteristic of all mammals. A rise of creatinine results in kidney failure. So it's all about the nitrogenous waste products. Now I'm going to discuss about classification of organisms on the basis of nitrogenous products. So the heading is classification of animals on the basis of nitrogenous wastes. The first one is ammoniteric. The second one is ureotelic. And the third one is uricotelic. In ammoniteric, the animals which excrete primary nitrogenous waste as ammonia is known as ammoniteric. And in the beginning of the lecture, I had told you that ammonia is very toxic. It requires huge amount of water for elimination. The animals are living in water, it may be fresh water or maybe marine, especially the aquatic dwellers. All invertebrates inhabiting in water are come under this category ammoniteric. For instance, most invertebrates such as protozoans, aquatic protozoans. Bony fishes, crustaceans, crustaceans means prawns, crayfish, etc. Only aquatic protozoans, not the parasitic one. The second one is ureotelic. It is also known as aminotelism, ureotelism, or simply ureotelic. So ureotelic, it requires moderate amount of water for elimination. In aminotelic, it requires huge amount of water for elimination. Ureotelic organism, they have advanced kidney, metanephric kidney. Urea is eliminated. Urea is eliminated as nitrogenous waste product. The animals, they belongs to ureotelic category. They excrete urea as the primary nitrogenous waste product, and for elimination moderate amount of water is required. For elimination, moderate amount of water is needed for removal. Examples are amphibians, cartilaginous fish, mammals, etc. The third one is a uricotelic. Uricotelic or uricotelism. The animals, the chief excretory product is a uric acid. For elimination of uric acid, there is very less quantity of water is needed, and the uric acid is eliminated from the body in the form of semi-solid or crystalline form. So it requires very less amount, very less amount of water. Uric acid excreted, uric acid may be semi-solid. I'm writing here, maybe semi-solid or white crystalline form. Semi-solid or white crystalline form. Especially it occurs in reptiles, and aves. So it's all about the classification of animals on the basis of nitrogenous waste materials. So I have discussed this classification in the separate heading: aminotelic, ureotelic, and uricotelic, and also given examples here. So stay tuned, a lot more to come. Please don't forget to share and subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.